Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me at Lisa B Pilates. This is your Pilates for increased flexibility and ability. So let's get started. So we are going to come on to the back of the mat. Make sure you've got space out in front of you. Gently bend your knees and start with a roll down. So round in the back as you come down, keep that gentle bend in the knees. Start to roll back up. Head is the last thing to come up. And again, rolling down. Keep that bend in the knees. Good. When you're here at the bottom, start to bend one knee, then the other knee. Nice deep breaths. And you're going to start to roll back up. Keep that nice bend in the knees as you come all the way up. Take an inhale, take those arms up, look up. Exhale down. Start to walk it out into plank. Tummy muscles in. And then take those knees down. Good. So go through cat-cow. Lower the belly, look up. Exhale, round. Good. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Inhaling. Exhaling. One more time. Come back to flat back. Take your left leg back. Tummy muscles in. Left foot on the mat. Right hand on the back of the head. Inhale. Exhale, rotate for 5. 4. Keep breathing for 3. 2. 1. Good, and then take that left leg up, right arm forward, inhaling. Exhale, arm and leg out to the side. And back for 5. 4. 3. Keep that leg nice and straight. 2. 1. And bring that back down. Let's do that on the other side. Right leg back, left hand back of the head. Inhale. Exhale for 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Take that left arm forward, right leg lifts, tummy muscles in. Inhale. Exhale out to the side for 5. 4. Keep pulling the belly in. For 3. Keep the neck long. And 2. And 1. Bring it back to center. Bring that hand and that knee down. Tuck the toes, lift the hips. Look back at your leg. Start to pedal those knees. Take a breath here. Lift those heels. Then lower them back down and lift the heels. Lower them back down. One more and lift. And lower, getting that nice calf stretch. Bring the knees down, knees wide. Drop the bottom to the feet. And breathe there. Lower the head. Inhaling, exhaling. One more breath here. Good, and you're going to come back up to seated. Then let's make our way all the way around, seated. Take your legs out in front of you. Arms up, shoulders relaxed. Take an inhale. Exhale forward. Shoulders relaxed. Inhale, tall spine. Exhaling. One more. Inhale. Exhaling. Good. Coming back up. And then let's lie all the way down. Hug those knees in. Take a little rock side to side. Relax those shoulders. Now hold your left knee. Right leg, take it up towards the ceiling. Flex the foot. Flex on the way down. Point the toe as you lift for 5. Flex down. 4. Keep the pelvis still. 3. 2. 1. Now right leg up towards the ceiling. Left leg, straighten the left leg, hold the left calf, lift the head and shoulders, right leg bicycle for 5, big movement, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower that leg all the way down, bend that left knee, pull that left knee across to the right, look to the left, take that stretch. Take a breath. Center, left leg tabletop. Right hand on the inside of your left knee, left hand behind the head, lift the head and shoulders, look at the body. Right leg up towards the ceiling. Now you're going to draw a big circle with this right leg. Big circle out to the side and lift. Nothing else moves for 5. 4, inhale, exhale for each circle. For 3, really stretching. 2, pointing that toe. 1, let's reverse that. Lower straight down, out to the side for 1. Tummy muscles in for 2. Keep breathing for 3, 4, 5. And bend both knees and just take a little rock side to side. Hold the right knee, left leg up, flex the foot. On the way down, point the toe as you lift for 5. Flex down and point. And 3. And 2. And 1. Straighten that right leg up towards the ceiling. Hold the right leg. Lift the head and shoulders. Left leg bicycle for 5. Big movement. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that left leg tabletop. Bend the right knee. Left hand on the inside of the right knee. Right hand behind the head. Lift your head and shoulders. Left leg straightens. Circles out. Down and lift for 5. Big inhale, exhale for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and reverse it. Keeping everything else nice and still for 5. Make sure you got a little bit of space between your chin and chest for 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, and lower that left leg all the way down. Drop the head. Pull that right knee over to the left. Look to the right. Take that stretch. Take a breath there. Coming back to center. Plant the feet on the mat. Bend those knees. We're going to take an inhale. Glute bridges with an arm circle. Let's go for 8. Up and down with the hips. Big circles with those arms for 7. And 6, squeeze in the bottom. And 5. And 4. Keep breathing. 3. And 2. One more. And 1. Coming back down. Adjust if you need to. You tend to slide on the mat on that. Take an inhale. Exhale, belly in. Left leg tabletop. Right leg tabletop. Let's take the hands to the hamstrings. Lift the head and shoulders. Look towards those legs. Let's go into single leg stretch for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into scissors. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Keep breathing, belly in. 3, 2, 1. Bring the legs to tabletop, hands behind the head. Lift the head and shoulders, go into double bicycle. For 10. Big space between the legs. 9, 8, elbows open. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the legs up towards the ceiling. Straight leg obliques. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Oh, you should have really felt that in the abs. Roll up to seated. Good. And we're going to come over onto our stomach. So turning it round, get those hands wide. Give the bottom a little shake. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed into breaststroke. So take an inhale. Exhale, lift. Squeeze your bottom, shoulder blades are relaxed. Coming back down. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Coming back down. And lift. And down. 3 more. And lift. And down. And lift. 1 more. And lift. And down. Take your arms out in front of you, a little bit wider than your shoulders. Lift the head, go into slow swim, opposite arm, opposite leg for 8. Really reach through the fingers and toes. It's a nice stretch as well. For 6. And 5. 4. 3, keep the neck long. And 2. And 1. Good. Legs as wide as the mat. Turn those toes out. Hands wider than your mat. Elbow back behind your shoulders. Take an inhale. Exhale, coming up for swan dive. Shoulders relax and squeeze your bottom. Inhale at the top. Exhale down. Elbows down, torso down. Inhaling. Exhale up. Inhale at the top. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale up. Inhale at the top. Exhale down. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale up. Inhale at the top. Exhale down. 1 more time. Inhale. Exhale up. Inhale at the top. Exhale down. Good. Push up. Knees wide. Take a little back stretch here. Drop the forehead. Take a few deep breaths. Good. And then start to make your way up into a high kneeling position. So we're going to take those arms forward. Just be careful of any knee injuries. We're going to take an inhale. Exhale, belly in as you hinge back. Coming back up. Inhale. Exhale, belly in and squeeze your bottom and shoulders relaxed. Inhale. Exhale, belly and squeeze in the bottom. Inhale. Exhale, belly in, squeeze the bottom. Coming back up. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. And coming back up. Good. Release the arms. Take the left arm up. Take a stretch over to the right. Coming back up. Right arm up. Take a stretch over. And coming back up. And then let's come lengthways on the mat. We're going to take the left leg out to the side. So we're going to take the hands behind the head. Take an inhale. Drop the bottom and hinge forward. Careful of the knees. Coming back up. Inhale. Exhale. Drop the bottom. Coming back up. Inhaling. Exhale. Follow the gaze so you look straight up, straight ahead, then you look down. So keep the neck in line with the spine. 1 more. Good. Take a side body stretch. Good. Now let's see if we can do a little circle. Just go to your maximum. We're going to take the arms up. Come over to that straight leg. Forward. Round. Slightly back. And again, side. Forward. Round. Look up. And 1 more. Side. Forward. Round. Good. Let's go into side kneeling leg lift. Take that right hand down, lift that leg, point the toe up and down for 5, 4, 3, 2, hold 5 circles. 1. You can lie on your hip here if it's too much on the knee. For 3, 4, 5, reverse it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up. Little pulses. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring that down. Nice. Let's do the other side. So right leg out to the side. Relax those shoulders, hands behind the head. Take an inhale. Drop the bottom, hinge forward from the waist for 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 more and 5. Good. Let's take those arms up. Start to circle over that straight leg. Come forward and round to the side and look up. And again, big circle from your waist. Using that core. 1 more. Good. Bring the hands down. That's actually a little bit more challenging than it looks. And then take that left hand down. Lift that leg up and down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 5 circles forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up. Pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to turn into plank. Now down for 3. 1, 2, 3. Push up into those triceps. 1, 2, 3. Push up. 1, 2, 3. And push up. Walk the hands back. Bend the knees, roll up through the spine, and we're back where we started. Take your right foot forward, left foot back. Have a little look. All toes should be facing forward. Forward fold. Take a breath, let the head hang, look back at your legs. Both legs are straight here. Try and keep that front leg straight. If you can't touch the floor, it really doesn't matter. Coming back up. Let's change sides. Left leg forward. Look down at your feet. All toes facing forward. Forward fold. Then let the head hang, look back at those legs. One more breath. Straighten those legs if you can. Coming back up. Bring your feet a little bit wider than your hips, toes ever so slightly turned out. Coming down, push those knees open. Place the left hand down on the floor. Straighten the legs, right arm up, look up. Come back to that squat. Push those knees open. Right hand down, straighten the legs. Arm up, look up, as long as that doesn't irritate the neck. 1 more, just coming down into that squat. Elbows inside the knees, push the knees open. Forward fold, let the head hang. Grab your elbows, take a little rock, side to side, through from the waist. Release the hands, rolling back up through the spine. And that was your super quick, like 15 minutes mobility, flexibility, Pilates session. I hope you enjoyed that. Please hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think of the video, and sending you lots of love. Have a beautiful day.